Okay, y'all. So we at another store checking for the clearances, and we have found some citrus trees, y'all. And they are 25% off the citrus trees. And I think this is Home Depot we at. We done pretty much narrowed down all the Walmarts.
Except two.
Oh, I think it's an orange tree back there too.
Except two.
Yeah, except two Walmarts. But we had to stop at these. They got red grapefruits.
Valencia. Valencia.
Ain't that the orange I wanted?
Valencia.
I think that's the orange I wanted. Valencia. I don't want no lines. But these are the biggest citrus trees that I've ever seen for sale here in Memphis, Tennessee, period.
Look at this phone. It's an orange. That's an orange. That's a grapefruit. And they got buds on there.
Buds. It sounds like you said bugs, but you said buds.
It's flower. They grapefruit.
Oh yeah. It's budding real good. But y'all know I done said you might want to pluck all that off. I would take that off too. And that's a grapefruit.
These are Valencia orange. That's what
Let me see.
What I'm saying. That's all.
What was the last orange we bought? All right, y'all, check your big box stores. It's the biggest citrus trees I've ever seen for sale. Unless you go to a nursery.
Oh, look, hold up, y'all. Before she leaves, let me show y'all this one. It'll make you want to take him home.
He said it'll make you want to take them home. Oh.
Look at the top.
And what is this? See, limes don't do good here. It's a hardiness down to 30. I don't trust it. Because I've had my experience with limes. Limes don't do good. They all say down to 30. But, I got to see what orange we have at home before I even think about
That man, that ain't gonna be long.
purchasing this. Because Valencia orange is on my list for sure. But I can't remember what's the last orange tree that we got from our local nursery. Oh, I know what. I could look back at a previous video. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next clip. Okay, so I had to look back at one of my old videos, y'all. So the orange tree that we have that Ghost got a hold to was the navel orange. So Valencia orange was on my list. There's a little bee on it. And this is the one I decided to get. I'm undecided about the grapefruit. They just look so horrible. See, it's a grasshopper on it, y'all. I don't want him in the car. We're gonna take this leaf off, because I don't want to take nothing disease looking to the house. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get this one. It was another one over there that had a lot of branches at the lower bottom. I didn't want that. So with this one, I'm gonna just take this one branch off. I don't want that.
That's one you going with.
Yep. We got a few buds on it. It had one with a little small grapefruit on it. And look at all those mushrooms in the pot. I started to get it. But look at the rootstock. Got a thorny rootstock. All that need to go. It would have made the tree a little bit bigger. But I think I'm gonna go with these two. So we doing the red grapefruit and we doing the Valencia orange. And I'm taking all this off too, y'all. I don't want no lower branches. And I liked it this one because the trunk is straight. I love it. There's some little bugs on here. So I will not be putting them in the greenhouse right now. I'm gonna have to treat them first. Oh, there's some mushrooms in this one. I love when I see mushrooms in my soil. That's the one I wanted. But I didn't like all those branches at the bottom.
But that's a part of the ground.
I mean, that's a bud of grass. That's part of the tree. But I don't want lower branches hanging to the ground. Look, I done pulled all the shit off the plant, y'all. But yep, I'm trying to get it ready because this is the one I'm gonna get. Now, this is a good structure here. Everything below, I done took off, and we left with these few branches. And I can tell that it's one of those flimsy type orange trees because all the branches are going out and then they're gonna drop down. So this is perfect. But I'm just checking it out, make sure ain't nothing on the back of the leaves. I'm not trying to infest my greenhouse.
See, it's thorny too.
Yeah, I see. All right, so she is prepped and ready for checkout. They don't like leaf miner behavior. That's why I said I'm gonna leave these out. They're not going straight in the greenhouse. When I get through putting neem oil and diatomaceous earth on it, it'll be all to the good. And let me check this grapefruit out.
Okay, I guess I gotta go before I peel myself.
So again,
I'm sorry, y'all. I got y'all all in the camera.
take over there the big lock over there.
Alright, y'all. I'm finna go ahead and head to checkout and get these babies home and get them treated. But yep, y'all better make sure y'all get out and get some of these clearances, honey. Cause your girl and your boy is not playing. And the last fruit tree I think I'm gonna get is that blood orange. I really want a blood orange, and I want some calamundins, and I think I'm gonna be done after that. No, we got not calamundins, what is it? Kumquats and blood orange, and then that'll be it for us. All right, y'all, we finna head on to checkout.